So, that's one thing you learned at honors camp there, buddy.
I'll tell you what I learned. I didn't learn anything. She may sing that one.
I learned
Ready?
nothing. What's the one thing you liked about it? Honors camp. Hi, Mom! Just kidding.
You have a mom? What?
You know what I liked about honors camp?
I like
Chief
that.
Rainey. Oh.
That right there be the sweetest apples kid I ever laid out on.
Make a Master Sergeant double.
Oh man. She's gonna be the sweetest piece of 50-year-old candy I ever laid my eyes on. She has a pretty mouth. What? He's got a pretty mouth. What? Take a picture of me. Oh, I got a picture.
I got an idea, man.
No, that's gross. You'll get the clapper. You'll get like fire cross.
Harbold, are you trying to fall asleep?
No.
Yeah, you are. Liar.
You're not gonna fall asleep because I've got a line.
What are you doing?
What? CMP stuff.
Okay.
What?
I'm studying.
Studying for what?
A test.
Oh, what test?
A leadership test. Rick, keep your voice down.
Hey, what
Kind
rank
of
are you?
leadership test.
I am a senior master sergeant.
Oh, very good.
What?
I said, oh,
Hey,
very
make
good.
colonel.
What are you?
Huh? I mean, it's a second lieutenant that got out.
So what do you gotta take this test?
Oh my gosh, did you see George's Macarena?
Oh my god,
Oh my gosh. George's Macarena. Did you see George's Macarena? Oh my god, George's Macarena. Okay, this is George's
Oh my
Macarena.
god.
This is George's Macarena, okay? I've never expected that from him. Hold on, I lost my iPod. MIA.
And Georgia has a black girlfriend.
I'm George.
Guys, I must suck to fly in this because you can't see anything. It like all blends together. We're all gonna die.
We're all gonna
I just
die.
wanted you to know that for the first time in my life, if this is going to be the last 20 minutes of my life, you are, in fact, the people I'd like to be with. Except maybe except maybe one or two of you.
-1.
Chief Rainey, I just want your body.
Do Dunlap impression.
What?
Do a Dunlap impression.
What? What are you doing? What was it she said?
Hey guys.
That's what I'm talking about.
I gotta go potty, get out of the
What?
way. Is it out there unoccupied? Yes, you are.
I'm pretty God. Wait, 6:20. We're gonna be cutting it close.
Mine's at 7.
Boogums. Do you miss Boogums?
My flight.
You miss Boogums, Boogums. Thank you. sleeping. You shouldn't be. That listening to an iPod and trying to fall asleep.
Get up, Molly.
Sleep.
Who taught you guys that?
Italy and Germany. Yeah.
Hey.
And I knew it.
Where did you guys learn that chimichanga thing?
My volleyball team.
The one the volleyball team that makes you bend over and then the guys in the
Male
back.
volleyball team for your high school.
Yeah, male volleyball and female volleyball.
Dude, that is awesome. I wish they had a male volleyball team. Like there are no high schools that have male volleyball teams.
It's only for Europe. It's only in Italy and Turkey.
That's pretty cool. I like playing volleyball.
This thing had to go to the bathroom.
Oh, that is now smart. You probably never did.
Or if you can't think of it.
Yeah, probably just been thinking I don't want to put it.
Oh, shit. That's ridiculous. How many people actually fill out their I know I basically around. I think there's that matches I ranch my chest.
So I gotta ask you a question. Get the camera out of here. Just for this
Guys,
part.
it's too haunted.
And your sheets are on there anymore. What do you think about her?
No, when your match is haunted, when you wake up and your match goes
Which doesn't mean you can't look around and just get honest.
honors camp?
Oh, come on, I
She's
just
sure.
She's cute. When you get lost enough,
don't tell anybody that.
I know I am. I had a roommate.
I know I am.
Our suite mates, there was nobody in there. The school's we're at the end of the hallway, so we had no suite mates. It was just the two of us.
That's why we switched.